This is how the Very Fit smartwatch arrives. It is very well packaged in this box. I took it out and was immediately impressed with the quality. It has a very nice soft silicone band. It also comes with a charger, which you will need to plug in first in order to power up the watch initially. It also comes with some instructions to help get you started. I put the watch on and very quickly and easily got the Very Fit app installed on my phone and then synced the watch with my phone. This watch comes with so many features like counting your steps, your BPM, and also it can track so many different kinds of workouts. It'll help you through breathing exercises, it has a stopwatch and an alarm, and it even can control the music on your phone. After wearing the watch for a couple weeks and getting some time with it, I can highly recommend it. It is very comfortable, it is very easy to use, and it really helps you track your steps every day and keeps you mindful of staying on top of your workouts. Overall, my biggest takeaway is that this watch is really great quality. I highly recommend it.